So we're leaving now the Candy's Big Island factory.
Alright folks, so again, next up we'll head over to Liliuokalani Gardens. That's our last stop. It's where we're going to spend really any time. And then after that, just a quick stop at the King Kamehameha statue for photos. And then you'll be able to spend the rest of the day doing what you want.
About going back to the ship.
On the way to the Liliuokalani Garden stop, we will stop at, there's a quick stop we can do for a picture of your cruise ship if you like. Some people like to do that, so I'll stop for a moment there on the way to our next stop.